So here we are with the Transcom GBX4000. You don't see many of these, and this is doing 4 watts and it's really good receive. One of these exceptional sets. It's one I'm flogging on eBay. It's got a bit of a tatty lid, but electronically it's spot on. It's going out with a brand new power lead, brand new mic. I think it's going out with a brand new mic. For this test we'll use it on our standard Cybernet test mic. So it uses a Cybernet 002F chassis as used in the Mustang 1000, 2000, 3000, and of course this looks just the same as a Mustang 2000. It doesn't have the chameleon meter though, which it's got the TXRX lines, hasn't it, instead? And it's got the permanent Roger bleep. So have we heard anybody talking on it? Don't think we have. Tango 21 test. The monitor button means channel 9.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Yep, Roger, just got about to plug my extension speaker in.
Yeah, Roger, let me know when you're ready.
Roger, ready now.
Roger, off we go.
Roger, dodger. The noise.
Right, we're passing the house and recording.
Roger on that. And on this radio we've got a tone control.
Roger that, so we're heading up the lane towards the end of it. Now passing
Bit bass here,
places.
bit more treble.
I'm surely passing what will be eventually, whenever, doggy daycare.
Roger on that. Yeah, that's all I've got to say.
Roger, I take it you can't turn that bleep off.
No, I can't turn the bleep off.
Roger, so it's the radio based on the Amstrad chassis.
Yes, so it's a kind of clone of the Mustang 2000. It's a Transcom GBX4000. You don't see many.
Yep, roger that. See many.
Yep, roger that. Service station, and it's closed.
Roger on that. I will just carry on to say that Transcom also did a GBX4000, which is the great GT8 same chassis, so people must realise that the 4000 is a totally different beast than the 2000.
Yep, roger. Right, we're now passing through Lancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got your gate right, Lancaster Crossroads.
You on high power?
Yes, I am.
Right, well, I'm just going through the crossroads and you're sounding like you're at, or sounding like I'm at Scratchy Corner.
Roger, I'll just unplug the aerial socket just in case it's loose.
Passing the top of the hill as we go down it towards Wilsford. Over.
I've got the screwdriver in the back of the aerial socket and no aerial. I actually heard you say you were at the top of the hill.
going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, well I've got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going round Scratchy Corner, Wilsford, over.
Roger, well I've got you loud and clear going round Scratchy Corner at Wilsford. I'm on a
Transcom GBX4000 using the Cybernet 002F chassis from 1981 using standard replacement mic and doing full 1000.
Yep, roger that, I'll receive, no problems. Whatever was the issue is now not an issue.
Yep, I'm going to have to always tighten up sockets. Going over Wilsford at level crossing. You at the Kelby turn.
Passing the Grayleys turn.
Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn.
Roger. Tango 21 from Mr Chippie, we're now at the 5 mile point.
Roger, got you at the 5 mile point, radio Transcom GBX4000 Cybernet 002F chassis 1981, doing 1.4 amps delivering 4 watts, and I'm on the standard replacement mic. I'll have to reach around the back and find the silly little switch for low power, and here we go, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, there we are on low power. The radio's now doing 300 milliwatts, not 400. 300 milliwatts non-adjustable. We go back to full power. There we are, back on full power, over.
Yep, roger that, no problems on low power or full power.
Can't be bad, off you go when you're ready.
Yep, roger that. Right, we're on the move again.
Roger on that. Stay on the move.
Chippie, we're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over. Yep, 136.9 and 139.7.
Right, that was absolutely fine. Of course, we've got a mission to accomplish further down the road. And thanks for the test.
Yep, roger that. 10-10.
Tango 21 from Mr Chippie. We're now going over Rossby level crossing. Over.
Roger, got you going over Rossby level crossing. Do you have a petrol price for me at that end today, please? Over.
Yep, 136.9 and 139.7.
Right, that works absolutely fine. And of course, you've got a mission to accomplish further down the road. And thanks for the test.
Yep, roger that.
10-10. Yep, that worked fine apart from the aerial socket. What I mean by tightening up the aerial socket, look at the back of this set. You've got the aerial socket, and what happens is, with years of use, these springy leaves of the inner, let's get that in the camera shot, they get sprained through years and years of use. So what we do is to poke a precision screwdriver between there and the insulator and push them back out. Okay, so all four of them, and then we use the fiberglass brush. Where's that gone? I've just had it. It's here. We use the fiberglass brush both on the outer and on the inner as well. So it's not the physical tightening up, it's the internal leaves. Now, as I sat here, I spotted a Transcom mic. And there is a Transcom 2000, which is a GT868. So there we go. Right, we'll go over to our base station, see what it sounds like on to our Midland 76900 base station.
Tango 21 testing the Transcom GBX4000 at 4 watts into our Midland 76900 base station, testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just pop it on low power as a home test, if I can find a little switch. Then we're on low power doing 300 milliwatts, pop it back. Then we are back to 4 watts. There you have it, Transcom GBX4000. Hope you enjoyed that, and I think we've got, oh yes, I think we've got an SMC Oscar 2.